Hello students, are you worried about your final boards? Which question may appear? How to study math? How to pass in math? How to score in math? No worries. When Shah Sir is here, no need to get fear. So welcome back to Evershine Coaching Center, Shah Sir Classes. Here in this video, we are going to continue with part 2. In our previous session, part 1, we have covered theorems, graphical method, and the problems related to the chapter statistics from that topic from part 1. If you are not yet watched and if you have any doubts related to those topics, please go ahead, watch that video first and then come back to this video next. That is part 2. Okay. So the first video, that is part 1, it carries around 14 to 15 marks. Now we are going to study part 2. Please take down the notebook and the pen. Come, let's walk together. First question: state 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 fundamental theorem of arithmetic. State fundamental theorem of arithmetic. State fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Take down the answer. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, comma, and this factorization is unique. This factorization is unique. UNIQUE, unique, comma, apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. So this is 1 mark question. You can expect 1 mark question this statement. Next, take down the second question. What is composite number? What is composite number? Take down the answer. Any number which is not a prime number, is called composite number. Now, what is the meaning of composite number? See children, the numbers which we get in the tables except 1, those all numbers are composite numbers, such as except 1, 2. Do we get in any tables 2 as the answer? I'm not telling like 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2, not into 1. Apart from that 1, any other number 2 will come? No, 2 will not come in any table, right? So it is a prime number. If it doesn't come, it is a prime number. If it comes, then it is a composite number. Then 3. Does it comes in any tables 3? No, so 3 is prime number. 4? 2 2s are 4. 4 is composite number. 5 prime. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. These all are what? Composite numbers. These all numbers comes under any table, isn't it? So that is a composite number. Take note the next question. Express 3825. Express 3825 as a product of its prime factors. Yeah, please stop writing. Observe here. First, let me understand how to solve this type of problems. Look at here, children. Any number you take, any number, okay, any number you take. If the number is ending with even number, please listen here carefully. If the number is ending with even number, then we should take 2. We have to take 2 as a factor. If the number is ending with 5 or 0, then we have to take 5. I'll tell you how to take. This is a logic which I am giving to you to solve and also to factorize the given number. If the number is ending with even number, we should take 2. Any even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, any even number. Take 2. 0 or 5, 0 or 5, then take 5. Even number, then take 2. Odd number, 3, not 5. 7, 9, 11, 13. Then we should go with odd number. Any odd number. First you try with 3. If you are not getting, try with 7. Not getting, try with 9. If not 11. If not 13. For odd numbers, you have to try with 3, 7, 9, 11, 13. Even numbers, only 2. 0 or 5. If any number is ending with 0 or 5, we should take 5. Now, example. Now, what is your number? 3825, right? Now, we have to find the prime factors. What is the last number? Ending with 5. So, what we should do? We should take 5. 5 sevens are 35. Remainder? 3. 32. 5 6 are 30. 2. 5 5 are 25. Ends with 5. Again 5. 5 1s are 5 3s are 5 3s are. I'm right? 5 1s are 5. Remainder 2 26. 5 26, right? Then 5 5s are 25, no? Then you should tell. 5 1s are 5. Remainder 2 26. 5 5s are 25. Remainder 1. 5 3s are 15. Next, ending with odd numbers. If it is ending with odd number, first we should try with 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. Ending with odd number 1. 1 is odd number. So try with 3. 3 1s are 3. Remainder 2 21. 3 7s are 21. 17 is a prime number. If you get the remainder as 17, stop. Because there is no other table to get 17. Because 17 1s is 17 only. Last. 17 doesn't comes with any table. Since 17 is a prime number, you should stop. Whenever you get prime number, you stop. No need to go further. Now 3825. 3825 can be written as, you have to write in ascending order. First 3. 3 how many times? 2 times. 5 how many times? 2 times. 17 how many times? 1 time. So these are the product of prime factors. These are the product of prime factors. Any doubts? Any doubts? Did you understood how to take the factors? Shall we try one more? Sir. Good. Yeah. Make a note. Try the next question as, which year is this? 2025. Prime factors. The number is ending with 5. 5 4s are 20. Correct? 5 4s are 5 5s are 25. Yeah, 5 4s are 25, 5s are 25. Sir, you only said no, sir. 5 take, I took, sir. For this, I'll give one small hint. Listen here. This topic and the step, it's something like this. Sir, congratulations. Operation success, but patient dead. Why? Observe here. Have you seen a bunch of grapes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next row. Next row. It can be 1, 2, 3 also. It can remain same. It can remain same. But it cannot exceed. Next row, it cannot be 1. Exactly after 3, it cannot be 1. After 3, it should come to 2. Then only it will come to 1. It means that in the first column, when we have 4 digits, then next digit, how can it be 2? First row it is 4 digits. Second row it should be 3 digits. Then 2 digits. Then 1 digit. Isn't it? It means that it shows 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. But in between we should write 0, then 5 fives are 25. Now you multiply this both, you'll get 2025 only. Check. 405 into 5. 5 fives are 25. 5 zeros are 2. As it is. 5 fours are. Yes, this is my English. Understood the logic? Understood the grapes logic? After 4 digits, it cannot be 2 digits. It should be 3. And then last number. 5 eights are 40. 5 ones are 5. Can we write 0? Do you want to add 0 here? No. Sure. Check. 5 ones are 5. 5 eights are 40. The bunch of the grapes is an example for this. Yeah. Next. Last number. Odd. Last number. Odd. Then we should take 3. 3 twos are 6. Remainder 2. 3 sevens are 21. Last number odd 3. 3 nines are odd. 3 threes are odd. 3 ones are. Or 3 also you can stop. So 2025 can be written as 2025 can be written as 3 how many times? 4 times. 5 2 times. So this is called as the prime factors. The product of prime factors. Now, interesting. Can you see something interesting here? So, what is interesting in this? Of course, we have. Can you see these numbers? These all are the prime numbers. Wow. This is called as, boys, this is called as the product of prime factors. Now, this is unique in nature. This is unique in nature. No other place you can find apart from a prime number. So this is how we have to factorize. Any doubts? Any doubts? Good. Take down the next question. Yeah. The next question. Session rules. Here we need to find HCF and LCM. Here we have to find HCF and LCM. To find HCF and LCM, we have got 2 methods. Please understand this carefully. We have 2 methods to find the HCF and LCM. The first method to find the HCF and LCM is the prime method or the prime factorization method. And the second method, we are going to use a relation method. Relationship between the two integers method. Relationship between the two integers method. To find the HCF and LCM, we have got 2 methods. Please understand carefully. In the exam, if they ask you by using any of the method, then you should use the same method. You cannot use any method. If they have not mentioned anything, just they are asking directly find the HCF, then find the HCF by any of the method. By prime factorization, if they mention, you have to use prime factorization only. Now, earlier we have done the previous step, right? The factorization, that is called as prime factorization. Now, what is the relationship method? See, students, we have a relationship between the two integers. Make a note of this question. For 1 mark, you can expect this question. Write the relationship between, make a note. Write the relationship between the two integers. Write the relationship between the two integers. Relationship between the two integers A, comma B, or A and B, small letters. Write the relationship between the two integers a and b. So what is the relationship? HCF of two integers into LCM of two integers is equals to a cross b or a into b. In short, HCF of a comma b we write as just h. LCM we write as L is equals to a into b. Is this clear? So this is the relation. See children. In question, suppose if they ask both HCF and LCM together, then we have to use prime method only. But relation method when we can use, you know H, you know A, you know B. Out of 4, you know 3 values. Out of 4 values, if we know 3 values, to find the 4th value, then we can use relation method. In one step only, we cannot find H and L together. We cannot find H and L together by relation method. We have to use prime factorization method only. By using prime factorization method, we can find H and L both together. But in relation method, we should know 3 values, then only we can find the 4th value. Now let me try the problems based on these methods. Done? Take down the question. I'll solve one question. Rest of the things you people can try. Yeah. Find the HCF and LCM. Find the HCF and LCM of 306 and 657. Find the HCF and LCM of 306 and 657 by prime factorization method. By prime factorization method. Look at here steps. Once you see, later you try. Look at here. 306. Last digit. Even. 2. 2 ones are 2. Remainder 1. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. Last number odd. 3. 3 5s are 3 1s are odd. 3 1s are 3 7s are. 17 is prime number. So we need to stop. So 306 can be written as 3 square into 5 into 17. Here 5 we have 1 time, 17 also we have 1 time. Huh? 2. People are keeping quiet, so I am telling 5. Yeah, you have to show your concentration. Okay. So first we have to write 3 square or 2? Yeah, very good. First we are supposed to write 2. Come in ascending order. 2, 1 time, 3, 2 times, 17, 1 time. And then 657. Last number is odd. 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 2. 3 9s are 27. Odd. 3 7s are 21. 3 3s are 9. Odd. 3 2s are 6. Correct? 3 2s are 6. Remainder 1, 13. It doesn't go. So we have to try with next number. After 3, which is the next odd number we have to try? Not 5. 7. 7 ones are 7. 3? No. Then try with 9. In 9 tables 73? No. Then 11? No. Then 13? 13. 13 4s are. 13 5s are. 13 6s are. Check. 13 6 are. How much? 70. Sir, just miss, sir. Correct? Isn't it? Now, my dear students, as you can see, 73 is a prime number. 73 is a. Does it goes with 15 tables? 70 tables? No. Sure? Are you sure? Okay, let me try. Anyhow, we'll get to know whether our answer is right or wrong. We have. Don't worry. Next is 657 3 square into 73. Done? Excuse me. Is this clear till here? Good. Now we have to find the HCF. How to find the HCF? देखो बेटा, whatever the number here we have, same number here also we should have. Both the places, same number we should have, and minimum we have to consider. 2. Here we have 2. No. 3. Here we have 3. Yes. We have to take. Minimum only is 2. So 3 square is 9. Then take the LCM. For LCM, let it be one time or let it be maximum times, we have to consider that. 2, 1 time. 3, 2 times. 17, 1 time. 73, 1 time. Can you multiply and tell me the answer? 2 power 1 is 2, 3 square is 9 into 17 into 73. 9 2s are 18 into 17 into 73. Can you tell me the LCM answer? Yes, sir. Very good. The correct answer is LCM 22338. Is this clear? Now, sometimes they may ask you to verify. Sometimes they may ask you to verify this. How to do the verification? Let's see. See, children. To verify this, we have to use the relation. What is the relation? H into L is equals to A into B. See here. Please follow these steps. First, you should write LHS is equals to H into L. H is 9 into L is 22338. Can you tell me the answer for this? What's the answer? 9 8s are 72. 9 3s are 27 plus 7. Yes, what's the answer? 201042. Sure? Sure? Sir. 201042. Sure? Sir. Okay. Now let me take the RHS part. What is our RHS? A into B. What is A? 306. B? 657. Now multiply 306 into 657. 306 into 657. Yeah. Answer is 201042. As we can see that, therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Hence, prove. Any doubts? Whenever they ask you to verify, you are supposed to verify like this. HCF answer, LCM answer, you should multiply separately. Given two integers, A and B, multiply them separately. Both the answers should remain same. If both the answers are same, then only our answer is correct. If not, our answer is wrong. Done? Good. Take on the next question. Find the HCF. Find the HCF of the smallest prime number. Find the HCF of the smallest prime number and the smallest composite number. And the smallest composite number. Can you tell me? What is the HCF of smallest prime number and composite number? 1. Very good. Because both doesn't goes with the same factor. So we cannot find the HCF over there. So the smallest prime factor and the composite factor, the HCF is 1. Any doubts? Good. Next question. The LCM of, make a note fast. The LCM of 24, the LCM of 24 and 36 is 48. The LCM of 24 and 36 is 48, and hence find their LCM. Sorry, HCF. And hence find their HCF. See children. Now can you tell me here, we have to use factorization method or relation method? Which method we should use? See here. LCM of, this is A, this is B, this is L, this is LCM value. A and B, 24 and 36, LCM is 48. They are asking HCF. As I said you, in the question, if they have given 3 values and they are asking us to find the 4th value, then we have to use relation method. We know that H into L is equals to A into B. We want L. So we want H. H equals A into B by L. What is A? 24. B 36. L 48. 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 9s are. Next 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4 6s are. Then answer is 6 into 3, 18. Is this clear? Good. Understood? Simple calculation. We can try. So the HCF is 18. You got confused with this? Yes. See here. 24 into 36 divided by 48. Can we take 4 tables directly? 4 6 are 24. 4 1s are 4 12s are 48. 6 1s are 6 2s are 2 1s are 2 18s are. Go with any order, you will get the same answer. Nothing to worry. When Shahs are here, no need to get fear. Next. Take down the next question. Take down the next question. Find LCM. Make a note fast. Find LCM of HCF of 306, 657 and 12. Find LCM of HCF of 306, 657 and 12. Actually, I think it should come is 12. Which method? Relation method. Correct? What we have to find LCM? We know that H into L equals A into B. L equals A into B by H. A 306, B 657, HCF is 12. Then shall we go with 3 tables? Shall we go with 3 tables? 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. Done. Can we go with 2 tables? 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. Isn't it? Yeah. Can you tell me the answer for this now? Denominators 2. Here, what is the question? Find the LCM of HCF of 306. I think it's wrong given. It should be 9. Correct? Because HCF we get 9, no? Just now we have tried one problem, right? 306 and 657. HCF is 9. Just now we have done, no? Yeah. So this question I have taken from one of the year question paper. Actually, there is a mistake over there in the question. So let me interchange the values. Let me try. Okay. So it should come 9, not 12. Because HCF of 306 and 657 is 9. What is A? 306. B. 657. HCF is 9. Then 9 ones are 9. 9 multiplied by what is 657? Sorry, 65. 9 sevens are 63. Very good. 9 sevens are 63. Remainder to 27. 9 threes are 27. 306 into 73. Something you said, right? 2 something. Contact number. Multiply and check. 22338 is the LCM. Followed? Followed the steps? Followed the steps? Yeah. Let me try one more question. See children, we are solving each and every expected question. From which of the ways the questions can be asked from the chapter real numbers, we are trying with all the methods. Now, the sums which all we have done, these all can expect for 1 or 2 marks. It may come for 1 mark also. In case sometimes it can come for 2 marks also. Yeah. Take down the next question. Find the HCF and LCM. Find the HCF and LCM of Find the HCF and LCM of 12, 15 and 21. 12, 15 and 21 by using prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Right? So 12 factors, 2 square into 3, 15 factors, 3 into 5, 21 factors, 3 into 7. Now what is common both the sides? 3. So HCF is 3. Right? Here we have 2, nowhere we have 2. Here we have 5, nowhere we have 5. Here we have 7, nowhere we have 7. So we have to stop. So what is the HCF? HCF is 3. Then what did they ask? LCM also, right? So LCM, 2 how many times maximum? 2 times only. 3 how many times maximum? 1 time only. 5 how many times maximum? 1 time. 7 how many times maximum? 1 time. 2 square? 4. 3 5s are 15 into 7. Right? Then 15 4s are 60 into 7. 0, 420 is the LCM. Understood? Whether they ask two integers or let they ask 3 integers, we are supposed to find the HCF and LCM in the same order. And last 2 topics left out. In case if any questions comes, it may be applied the same logic. Take down the next question. For 2 marks, check whether 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. See children, Very simple. 7 into 11 into 13. This complete is one factor. Plus, after plus whatever it comes, that is another factor. Here also from 1 to 7, these all are one factor, plus 5 is another factor. Now what we can do? 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, out of it we can take 13 as common factor. We can take 13 as common. Then what is left out? 7 into 11 plus 1. Then 13 into 7 into 11, 77 plus 1. That is 13 into 78. Therefore, 13 into 78 is a composite number. 13 into 78 is a composite number. It is correct. Then again here also 5, here also 5. We can take 5 common. Then 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. 5 into, then how to multiply? Observe here. Till where you know the tables, you multiply till there. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. 42 into 4 we don't know. So keep it 42 as it is. 7 plus 6 42. You know till here. Keep it as it is. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Into 24 plus 1. Now 5 into 42 into 24. 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 8 10 4. 4 not 8 plus 1. So 5 into 4 not 9. Hence it is a composite one. 5 into 4 not 9. It is a composite number. Is this clear? What happened? Yes? Tell. What's the doubt? बोलो बेटा हाँ क्या doubt है? See 13 into 78 we got right. Understood. So it is a composite number. Got it? Yeah. What is wrong in this? Very good. What should come here? 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. The answer is 9. 6 plus 4, 10. 8 plus 1, 1, 0, 0, 8. Now it's correct. 5 into 1, 0, 0, 8. Do you know why this mistake happened? I'll tell you. The purpose and the reason why the mistake has happened because of a single reason. You know what is the reason? Observe here. This number what I have written, it is 4. But sometimes it had looked like it is 1. The way the number was written, initially we have taken that as 4, but later on we have taken that as 1. So only we tell that in mathematics, please try to write the numbers clearly. 1004 not 8. What happened? 42 into 24. First, let me to simplify this first. 42 into 24 is 1008 plus 1. So the final answer is 5 into 1009. I was coming to that point, but I was telling you this point. Understood? Yeah. Whenever if you doesn't write the number clearly in a proper manner, so that you may go ahead with the calculation mistake. So write the numbers properly. Understood? Yeah. Next question. Take down. Prove that. Next question. Make a note. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Or prove that 5 minus root 3 is irrational number. Or 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. So in any of the order, you can get a question based on irrational number. My dear students, if you have any doubts how to prove this as an irrational number, you can comment to me. I'll share you the link in the description. In case if you have a doubt how to prove this irrational number, you can comment to me. I'll get you the solution. I'll share you the link in the description. So there is separate video for this which I have already done it through my YouTube channel. I'll show it to you. Okay. So because we have very less time, we cannot go ahead with each and every topic. But I'm just showing you people like what all it's important, which is expected for the upcoming exam. So prove that 3 plus root 5, 5 minus root 3 or 3 plus 2 root 5 in such a way you can get any question. If not, this type of questions, in case if it comes, it carries 2 marks. Then prove that root 2 or root 3 or root 5 is irrational number. If it comes, then it carries 3 marks. Make a note. Single digit, if they are going to give you, then it carries 3 marks. Prove that 3 plus root 5, any such type of numbers if you get, then it carries 2 marks. So this is what the questions you can expect from the chapter real numbers. So in real numbers, we have tried with 1 mark questions. I have already shown. We have tried with all 2 mark types of questions, and also we have tried with 3 mark carrying questions. For asking 3 marks, we have only 2 types of questions which can be asked for 3 marks. The first type of question is they will ask you to find HCF and LCM, and also they will ask you to verify them. Then it carries 3 marks. If not, if they ask you these single digit numbers like root 2, root 3, root 5, then it carries 3 marks. And rest all are 1 and 2 mark questions from this chapter. Any doubts? Sure? Very good. Next, come back to the next chapter, polynomials. Actually, we are going to try with each and every type of questions here. Okay? Understood? Understood? Good. Now, from the chapter polynomials, first and foremost, let me concentrate on 1 mark carrying questions. So, which are the types of 1 mark carrying questions can be asked from this chapter? Observe you. Yeah. Fine. So, we have different types of polynomials. Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. They may ask you to write the standard form. Please do remember. So, write the standard form of linear polynomial. Make a note. So, standard form of linear polynomial is ax plus c. Quadratic, ax square plus bx plus c. Cubic, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Now, what is the degree of linear polynomial? The degree of linear polynomial is 1. The highest power. See here, x power is 1. If nothing is there on the power side, then you have to assume there is 1. Okay? So, what is the x power? 1. So, it is linear polynomial. Quadratic, highest power 2. Cubic, highest power 3. So, that is called as degree of the polynomial. Or sometimes they will ask you as number of zeros. So, how many number of zeros are there in linear polynomial? 1. Number of zeros in quadratic? 2. Number of zeros in cubic? 3. Any doubts? Any doubts? So, what is this all? Standard form. The standard form of linear, quadratic, cubic. They may ask you sometimes degree, or sometimes they may ask you to write the number of zeros. Okay? Is this clear? Good. And next, one more question you can expect. Yeah, in this case, what is the number of zeros? 2. 3. How many times this arc cuts the x-axis? कितने बार ये x-axis को कट करेगा? That is the number of zeros. ये x-axis को कट कर रहा है? No. Number of zeros is 0. Here number of zeros is 2. Any doubts? Any doubts? No. Next question for 1 mark. Make a note. Make a note. Write the formula. Write the formula to find. Write the formula to find the sum of its zeros. The sum of its zeros and product of its zeros. Write the formula to find the sum of its zeros and product of its zeros. See children, whenever we solve any quadratic polynomial, x square plus bx plus c, whenever we solve a quadratic polynomial, we get two answers, right? एक quadratic polynomial को अगर सब solve करें तो बेटा दो आंसर्स मिलते हैं. पहला आंसर को हमें अल्फा बोलेंगे, दूसरे आंसर का नाम बीटा बोलेंगे. अब जो हमें इंग्लिश में आंसर कर को बोलते हैं, तो ये चैप्टर में हमें उसे जीरोस बोलते हैं. आंसर को क्या बोलते हैं? जीरोस. Zeros means answer, solution. So in quadratic polynomial we have two zeros. So first zero we call it as alpha and the second zero we are assuming it as beta. So first we can write, let alpha and beta be the zeros. Let alpha and beta be the zeros of the given polynomial. Let alpha and beta be the zeros of the given polynomial. Then sum of its zeros means we should add both the answers we should add. Then we have the formula minus b by a. This is called as sum of its zeros. Then we have to multiply, that is product of its zeros. It means we have to multiply both the answers. How to find? That is c by a. So if they ask you only formula, you are supposed to write this much. Sum of its zeros answer is means sum of its zeros to find minus b by a formula. Then products of its zeros is c by a. Any doubts? Good. Next question for 1 mark. Make a note. Write the formula. Write the formula to frame. Write the formula to frame the quadratic polynomial. Write the formula to frame the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are m and n. Whose zeros are m and n. See children, still now we are using alpha and beta, no? अब इसमें alpha की जगह m यूज कर रहा है, beta की जगह n यूज कर रहा है. That's it. See, this is a twist. दो zeros को मैं alpha beta करके assume करे थे. अब इसमें alpha की जगह क्या देकर है? m. Beta प्लस n. Now देखो बेटा, अब तक हमें क्या करे थे? Look at here girls. So here we have a quadratic polynomial, no? X square plus some question. Instead of writing the values, I am writing a standard form. Okay. Once we solve this, we get two values of x. Correct? We get two values of x. Now here what they have done, they have told this as m, this as n. It means they have given m and n. They have given m and n and they are asking you to write this equation, this polynomial. Till now they were giving this polynomial, we are finding the zeros. Now in this case, they have given the zeros and they are asking you to frame the polynomial, to write the question. This is question and this is answer. Till now if they give question, we are writing the answer. But now they have given the answer, they are asking you to frame the question. Followed? To frame the quadratic polynomial, To frame the quadratic polynomial, we have the formula, that is x square minus of sum of its zeros into x plus product of its zeros. Product of its zeros. This is the formula. In short, if you want to write x square minus m plus n into x plus m into n. If they are given alpha beta, then what you should write? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. If they give p and q, x square minus p plus q into x plus p into q. Like this. So separately you should find alpha plus beta. Separately you should find, in case if any problem comes, they'll give two zeros, alpha and beta value they will give. Separately you add them, separately you multiply them and substitute in this formula and simplify. You will get the quadratic polynomial. Understood? Understood the 1 mark type questions from this chapter polynomials? Sure. Understood the various types of questions which can be asked from this chapter polynomials? Good. Now let me solve the basic questions, which carries 2 marks if not 3 marks. Compulsory. First question. Yeah. Find the, make a note first. Find the zeros. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 and verify the relationship between the zeros. Verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Full stop. Please observe here carefully. Here we have in this question 2 marks also, 3 marks also. In case if they ask for 2 marks, they will ask only zeros. If they ask for 3 marks, they will ask you to verify. अगर से वो verify पूछ रहे 3 marks या only zeros पूछ रहे 2 marks. Any doubts? Any doubts? Sure. Okay. देखो बेटा. Clearly please observe here. Once again. First, let me write x square minus 7x plus 10 is equals to 0. First, let me assume is equals to 0. ठीक है? हाँ. Multiply first term with last term. This other step. This is plus 1x square. Here nothing is there means 1. No sign is means it is plus. So this is plus 1x square. And this is plus 10. Multiply this both. Plus into plus. In working column write plus. X square into 10 is 10x square. In which tables do we get 10? 2 5s are 10. Here also x, here also x. Variable is x. Now here we have 2x, here we have 5x. Please observe here the middle term. Observe here the middle term. Here the middle term is minus 7x. Middle term is minus 7x. So here the important part for us is the middle term sign. So what is the middle term sign? It is minus. So this middle term sign we have to give for the bigger number. 2 or 5 में कौन बड़ा number? 5. So middle term sign we have to give for bigger number. Middle term sign we have to give for bigger number. Remember this logic. Middle term sign we have to give for bigger number. Now minus with minus, what if you multiply? With minus, what sign if you multiply, you get plus. We know that minus into minus is plus. Middle term sign you put for bigger number. Then minus into what is plus? Minus into minus is plus. Now check your answer is right or wrong. How do we check? See here, minus 2, minus 5. If you add this both, you should get middle term. Are you getting? Minus 2, minus 5, minus 7. Yes, our answer is right. Minus into minus plus, 2 5s are 10, x into x, x square. First term as it is. See, don't see the sign, only see the number. Don't see minus plus, only see the number. 2 or 5 Bada number? 5. First you write that bigger number. Minus 5x, then write minus 2x. Last term as it is equals to 0. Now again pairing. Now in this both what is common? X. What is common? X. X into x, x square minus x into 5, 5x. Interesting point. So, observe you. Now, whatever we get in the bracket, we have to write as it is. This is the logic. Here if you get x plus 2, write x plus 2. Here you get x minus 5. Yeah, first is boys. I hope you understood. Very good. Here x minus 5, here also you should write x minus 5. Now, as you can see, here also x, here also x, right? Before x, what is left out? Before x, what is left out? Minus 2. Right here, minus 2. Now, multiply and check, you'll get the same answer. See here, minus into plus minus, 2 into x, 2x, minus into minus plus, 2 5s are 10, is equals to 0. What is outside term? X minus 2. What is inside term? X minus 5 is equals to 0. Any doubts? Then x minus 2 is equals to 0. X minus 5 is equals to 0. X equals minus 2 come to the other side, it becomes plus 2. X equals minus 5 come to the other side, it becomes plus 5. Now these are the two zeros. What are these? These are the two zeros. Now we have to tell that. Therefore, the zeros of the given polynomial are 2, 5. Now, let me assume, because we have to do verification. If they ask you to only to find the quadratic polynomial, means find the zeros, stop here. If they ask verification, then you should do this step. Let alpha and beta be the zeros. Let alpha and beta be the zeros. What is alpha? Plus 2. What is beta? Plus 5. Okay. Now, can you see the question? What was given for you? X square plus 7x plus 10. Correct? Now, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Here nothing is there means 1 is there. Now, what is the value of a? 1. What is the value of b? 7. Value of c? 10. First you write this. These two answers are alpha beta. From the equation, from the given polynomial, write ABC values. After writing this, put one column exactly in the center. Then you write sum of its zeros. It means alpha plus beta. Okay. What is alpha? 2 plus beta 5. 2 plus 5 7. Directly if we add alpha plus beta, we are getting this. Here let me use the formula. Alpha plus beta equals minus b by a is equals to formula minus. What is the value of b? 7. A value 1. Minus 7 by 1 is minus 7. What's wrong? What we have done the mistake? What we have done the mistake? See, here we are getting 7, right? Here we are getting minus 7. How come?
Sir, it's 7, sir. Now, formula.
Formula is minus b by a only. No? Question wrong. See, if you are not getting same answers, see, some intelligent students will be there. Sir, my teacher said, if you don't get same, different, here also you write minus, here also you write minus. Or here also you write plus, here also you write plus. But show same sign, they'll give marks. Understood? It's not like that. They won't give the marks. Yeah, what's wrong here? What was the question? X square plus 7x plus 10. But what we have taken? Correct. Isn't it? They have asked plus 7x, but we have done for. Okay. If you do plus 7, you will get. Don't worry. But here, what we should do, as we have taken the step minus, right? We have taken minus, no? You try for plus at home. Okay. So, what is the value of b? Minus 7. Am I right? Yeah. Now, what is alpha? 2 plus beta 5. 2 plus 5, it is plus 7. Now here, excuse me. Now what we should do here? Minus this formula minus. What is the value of b? Minus 7. What is the value of a? 1. Minus into minus plus 7 by 1. That's nothing but 7. As you can see, both the sides, it should be same. Is this clear? Yeah. Now can we try for product of its zeros? Product of its zeros means alpha into beta. What is alpha? 2. What is beta? 5. 2 5 is 10. So alpha into beta is equals to 10. Now let me use the formula. Alpha into beta equals C by A. Please always try to highlight the formulas. Okay. What is the value of C? 10. A value 1. 10 by 1 is 10. 10 by 1 is 10. Now therefore, at last you can write that alpha into beta is equals to 10. Hence proved. So this is a verification. Is this clear? Any doubts still here? Are you sure? Yeah. So since morning 7 a.m. till 5 p.m. it's a continuous session was conducted today. Okay, fine. So here we are going to stop. We will be continuing the rest of the topics hereafter in the next part. Take care. All the best. Keep watching to our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes. If you like this session, hit the like button and share this video with your dear and near ones. Take care. All the best.